Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Y'all already know your girl is at Aldi. I'm getting ready to go in here and just grab 4 candles, and that is it. That's all I'm getting because y'all know Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale is coming. So I can't spend that much money in Aldi. I'm just trying to save for SAS. I'm just saying. So that's the reason why I have not been doing any Aldi videos. One, they haven't been having anything that I personally want, so I just been skipping. But today they have 3 wick candles that came, like 4 different candles. I'm gonna grab 1 of each, and that's gonna be it. Yeah, that's gonna be it. It's raining. I got a busy day. We got early release. The days is winding down. I'm getting ready to be on summer break. Yay. Super happy for that. Cannot wait. Today, y'all, I'm carrying my Stanley jug. This thing is huge and it's heavy. It's actually, it's heavy. I got it stuffed with ice and I got some juice in here because, like I said, today is going to be a busy day. So I'm prepared. So I will be coming back with a review of this, just to let y'all know. If y'all want to see that, leave that in the comment area to let me know if y'all want to see a review on the Stanley jug. This is a 64-ounce bottle, but yeah, leave that in the comments. Also leave in the comments, let me know, are you shopping this week at Aldi or are you gonna pass? Because as y'all do know, we don't necessarily have to run for Aldi candles anymore like we used to. Now you can just kind of wait for the markdown. I'm just saying. So that's another reason why I have not been rushing to Aldi, because you just don't have to do that anymore. When I first started buying Aldi candles, yes, they used to sell out in a day or two. Super limited stock. But now they get so many candles, you don't have to run no more. So the candles that they got this week might last all the way up until the end of June probably. So it ain't really no big rush. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching everything that I post, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, whatever I'm posting. You always supporting me. I truly appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah. But let's head on into this store, y'all, because it's raining. I don't have a lot of time. I think I got like an hour and a half before I got to swipe back into this clock, get back on this time. So let's head in here, let's grab these candles. Let me see what they smell like. So yes, here go another one of my co-workers, but I ain't gonna get him on camera. But let's head in here. Yes, these candles from Aldi. I didn't really want to buy a whole lot of candles because y'all do know Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale is coming up, and I'm trying to save all my money for the sale. I'm just saying, y'all can do what y'all do, but I'm gonna do what I'm doing. So I really didn't buy a lot of stuff. Plus, I know a lot of these candles will be marked down, so there's no rush like it used to be years ago. Years ago, you had to run for these candles. But because they are really put more into the stores now, you don't have to run. You can just wait for the markdown. These ceramic candles are really nice. I love the quotes on the front. They're heavy. Some of the scents is really nice, and some of them you most definitely could pass on. But one thing you need to make sure your candle is filled to the top. As you do see, some of them is halfway, or I shouldn't say halfway, but not as full as the others. So make sure you check for that and make sure you grab the right one. These single wick candles, $2.50, y'all. $2.50. These are nice. Put them on a warmer and you all good. I love the fact that they're starting to make the matching candles to the bigger 3 wicks. I love that. Okay, I'm back in the car. I'm actually hot. It's a little warm. Get my mask. It's a little warm because earlier it was kind of cool and it was raining. Now the temperature is getting a little warm. Let's see what the temperature is. The temperature is 70 degrees right now. So I told y'all I was only gonna go in there for 4 candles. I actually end up buying 6 candles. I bought the 4 3-wick candles that came out, which was the Lakeshore Sunset. Looks a little weird. As you see, that's what the label looked like. Any scent notes? No scent notes on the bottom. And it's yellow wax. Of course, 3-wick candle. It's nice. It's really nice. But to me, it kind of smelled like an air freshener almost. So we shall see what that do on the warmer or with the wicks lit. I gotta put this back here because it is most definitely in the way alone. Okay, the next candle is grapefruit and sea salt. I actually thought this was that pink grapefruit, but this one is different. As you do see, it's the pink wax, just like that pink grapefruit candle, but this is grapefruit and sea salt. Yes, and these super long wicks. Oh my goodness, those wicks are so long. But Aldi is known for having super long wicks. This one is kind of light to me, but it do smell like grapefruit. So yes, neroli and white sand, white wax, pretty label, but Aldi don't really be doing too much with their labels on these 3-wick candles. They just, as you do see, it's like an ocean scene, like a beach scene. So let's smell it. To me, typical beach like candle. So I usually kind of skip anything that has something to do with beach, because to me they all come off the same to me. So yeah, this is your typical beach like scent. And then the last one is Bamboo Garden. I feel like I already have this one, but I decided to go ahead and grab it. Again, all of these, none of these have the notes on the bottom, but this is Bamboo Garden. I feel like I have this. I might have the wax melt of this. I kind of feel like I got the candle too, but I did grab one. And as you do see, this sage color, or yeah, sage color green, light green color. This is good. This is actually really nice, and it is strong on cold. Out of all of these, this is the strongest one, and it's actually nice. It's coming across like it might have maybe some jasmine or something in it. It's coming out very floral, not necessarily like a green note, like fresh bamboo from Bath and Body Works. No, not like that. This is more, this is coming off like a floral. This one is good. This one is real good. So this is my pick for the week. Out of all 4 of these candles, this one to me is the must have. This is the one that's gonna stand out. Now I did grab, dang, I stuck my finger in it, god dog. I grabbed these ceramic candles. I wasn't gonna grab these at first. Be you, do you, for you. And this is the banana leaf and blossom. Love that quote on the front. I love that. Be you, do you, for you. Wow, that speaks volumes. Be you. Stop trying to be like other people. Do you. Because if you're trying to do somebody else, then you're not doing you. You're not living your true life. And do it for you. Do it for you. You don't have to do things for other people. Do it for you. I absolutely love that. I love that saying on the front. But this is banana leaf and blossom. Hate the fact that these don't have a lid. And it is a 2-wick candle. These were $5. The jar is heavy, but be careful. If you do decide to grab some of these ceramic candles, be careful, because some of them, they're not full. Some of them is just kind of low with the wax, and I did show that in the clip. But this one, I probably should have passed on it because it don't smell like nothing. But anytime I see banana, I want to buy it. So that was the reason why I purchased this one. And again, these were $5 2-wick candle. And then the last one, y'all already knew I was gonna pick this one. This one, macadamia and honey. Yes, most definitely was gonna pick this. Your voice can change the world. Love it. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love that saying. I should have bought the other ones just because of the quotes. I didn't read the other ones, but just because of these 2 quotes, I really love it. Your voice can change the world. Content creators, and a lot of people do watch us, and sometimes we do get caught up in drama, but we also need to remember, this. You know, your voice can change the world. Somebody could be having a great day, and here it is, you come on here with drama, and you could just change their whole day or their whole world. So that's the reason why I try my best to stay out of drama. I try my best to stay positive, and I always say that on my platform. When you come and look at my videos, sorry y'all, when you come and look at my videos, I want you to be happy. I want you to smile. I want you to laugh. When I do my little silly dances, dance with me, because that's the type of vibe that I'm trying to put off, positive vibes. So that's the reason why I love this. Your voice can change the world. Yes, we are content creators, so we must most definitely watch what we say. You know, even though I get the fact that nobody wants to be censored, you want to feel and say what you want to feel and say, but sometimes we most definitely have to watch what we say, because you never know what kind of mood somebody could be in. So this is nice, and the candle smells amazing. Oh my goodness, it smells good. Yeah, this smells sweet and also nutty, so it has that sweet creamy scent. This one is good. Hopefully it throw good, but again, make sure you watch how full your jar is, because some of these jars are not full. But yeah, I might grab the other 2. I might. I can't even remember what the scents were. I know one was like a mint. I would have to look at the footage to see what the scents was, because I didn't even take a picture, I don't think. Let me see, did I take a picture? Okay, the other one says, say yes to new adventures. Say yes to new adventures. Yes. I love that quote as well. Say yes to new adventures. Don't be so closed-minded about life. Don't be so used to your norm. Sometimes do new things. Sometimes try new things. So say yes to adventure. Say yes to exploring life. I love that. And then the other one says, you mean the world to me. Yes, my MVP riders, you mean the world to me. And if it wasn't for y'all, I would not still be doing this. But because y'all support me, I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate it. Okay, so the other ones was mint and eucalyptus, and wait a minute, mint and eucalyptus, and rhubarb and tea rose. I don't think I want those. Rhubarb and tea rose, and mint and eucalyptus. I could pass on that, because mint and eucalyptus, they got that at Bath and Body Works. But rhubarb and tea rose, yeah, it's a unique candle, but that's something I don't have to have. So yeah, those candles were $4, and that's basically everything. I mean $5, I'm sorry. Those candles was $5, and that's everything that I got. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you get any of the new candles? I skipped out on those, I forgot the name of the other ones that had the avocado and all that stuff, the strawberry. I skipped out on those because those are like $7. To me, wait for the markdown, and none of those notes kind of stuck out to me, so it ain't something that I have to have. You know, I kind of wish I didn't get this one. I kind of wish I didn't get this one, because I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything with this one. So we shall see how that one do. But as far as all of these candles with this collection, this one has to be my number 1 pick. Second pick is this one. This one is good. Hopefully it throw, because this macadamia and honey is just, woo,
It's doing it. It's giving me life. It's giving me a little bit of life. Even though it don't have a lid, but it is good on cold. So those are my 2 picks for the week. Let me know in the comments what is your pick. And your girl has to get back to work. So thumbs up the video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. And I will see y'all in the next one. The next one. All right, y'all. I see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.
This is the upcoming Aldi finds. These items will be in stores next week. You could pause this so you could really look at the ad. I know it's going a little fast, but I didn't really want to drag this part out in the video. So if there's anything that you want to see on the ad, just pause it. So all you got to do is pause it. You can rewind a little bit or fast forward through it or whatever you choose. But I did want to add this so y'all will know exactly what's coming out next week. So here you go. Now, next week, they're going to release these luxury candles. These things are huge. Oh my goodness. 88 ounces. Huge. But they are $30. I am going to grab one of these candles. I'm just saying. It's a pass for me on these reed diffusers. I don't like Aldi reed diffusers, but that's just me. You do what you do. I'm passing. I'm totally gonna pass on this. And then they're coming out with the matching candles as well. It's a pass for me on these. I'm just only gonna get those luxury candles, and that's it as far as next week, because the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale is coming.